Alright guys, so today is a brand new day and I got something for the Yamaha Tri-Z that isn't really important, but I got it anyways, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so this is what I got for the 1985 Yamaha Tri-Z, and I kind of figured since I am going to be on the racetrack with this, you know, I don't want the bike to, well, basically throw me off and then proceed to drive into the parking lot and hit somebody's vehicle, or even worse than that, hit somebody. So what I want to do is actually install a racing kill switch on my 85 Tri-Z, and this is the one I got. And really how these work is you hook this up to your pants or something, you fall off the bike, pulls the plug, shuts off the machine. And it's not important, but it's a nice thing to have just for safety's sake. See what else we got in here. So we got some instructions, I believe, and we got some stickers. I know exactly what I need to do with these stickers. And last but not least, got an Allen wrench. I'm gonna say probably about in this neighborhood. Yeah. I say that looks pretty good right there. Here's what I'm kind of thinking about. I'm thinking about probably right there. I'm thinking so. Once I got done securing the kill switch to my handlebars, I went ahead and started zip tying down the wiring for a kill switch next to the current wiring for my current kill switch. Once I got that done, then I went underneath the bike, unplugged the current kill switch from the wiring harness, and then I proceeded to solder in my brand new kill switch in with the leads for the current kill switch on the bike. Once I got that done, then I went ahead and pulled the shrink wrap over my solders, shrink wrapped it on there, and then plugged it back into the wiring harness on the bike. And that's all you need to do to install a racing Tether kill switch on your ATV, three-wheeler, or dirt bike. Okay, so I buttoned things up with my bar pad. I put that back on here. I got the Tether kill in here. Basically what's supposed to happen is you fall off the bike and that happens. It comes right off. So let's go ahead, throw this on and see if the bike starts. Okay. That's how those Tether kills work. You know, you go to a motocross track, you fall off. You're supposed to have this attached to you somewhere, like on your waist. Kind of handy thing. Okay, so I put on the Tether kill. Basically, on the bike. Shouldn't bother me too much. Alright, so not really in-depth tutorial or really even a good tutorial. I just kind of got one to throw on the bike. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And of course, I'm not going to leave you without doing a couple of wheelies.